In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export email performance data from HubSpot. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using an account with access to marketing emails so you can see the options we'll use today. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and find the marketing section. Hover to reveal the menu, then select Email. This takes you to the email management area, where you can view drafts, scheduled messages, and sent emails along with their performance. Now choose the specific email or emails you want to include in the export. To do that, look for the checkbox to the left of each email's name and click to select it. You can select a single email or multiple at once, depending on what you want to analyze. Your export will only include the items you've checked. With your selection made, look to the top right of the page and click Export Emails. A settings window will appear to help you customize your file. First, pick a file format. CSV is a great, lightweight option that opens in almost any analytics or spreadsheet tool. If you're planning to work directly in Excel, choose XLS or XLSX for a native format with better formatting support. Next, choose which columns to include. If you select columns in this view only, HubSpot will export just the fields you currently see in the table, which is perfect for quick sharing. All available columns includes every performance field available for those emails, ideal for deeper analysis. Limited preset columns provides a clean, standardized set of the most important metrics, helpful when you want a concise summary. Then set the date scope for your data. You can keep it on all time to capture the full history of those emails, or switch to a custom date range to focus on a campaign period or reporting window. Using a narrower range can speed up processing and keep the file smaller and easier to work with. When your selections look right, click Export. HubSpot will begin preparing the file and will send a download link to your email address. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you don't see it after a short while, check your spam or promotions folders just in case. After the file arrives, download it and open it in your favorite spreadsheet tool to review metrics like sends, deliveries, opens, clicks, and bounces. From there, filter, chart, or pivot the data to uncover insights and share results with your team. And that's how you export email performance data from HubSpot.